How to add Revolut to Garmin Pay. Garmin Pay is a contactless payment solution designed for Garmin smartwatches and fitness devices. It allows users to make payments directly from their Garmin device without wallet or smartphone. In order to add Revolut in Garmin Pay first, open your Garmin Connect app. Select the watch icon at the top of the screen. Next, select Garmin Pay. Add your card by selecting Manage Wallet. Select the Add Card icon on the top right of the screen. Select Visa card as the card type. To add a card, you will need to enter your card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code on the back of your card. Then click Next. Then you'll need to enter your name and postcode. Read and agree to terms and conditions and click Next. Your card has been added. That's it. Thanks for watching.